In this video, we'll go over two alternative if statements. Let's suppose we've declared an integer variable x. We prompt the user to enter an integer. We'll read the integer into variable x, and then here is where we start the two alternative if statement. If x is greater than 10, we'll print out the value entered is greater than 10. Alternatively, and this is why it's called two alternatives, else do something else, another block of code. Else we'll write a similar message here. The value the value entered is less than or equal to 10. And then end line. Let me make the correction here. And that's it. This is a two alternative conditional statement. If the Boolean expression attached to the if statement is true, the first block of code, the block immediately following the if statement, is executed. If the Boolean expression is false, the else clause is executed. The second block is executed. The first one is skipped. So giving you two alternatives for execution. So let's try this. We'll go and run this program. Start. The first time around, we're going to enter a number that is greater than 10. Let's say 11 is entered. We'll enter it. So let's take a look at the output. We entered 11, and 11 is greater than 10. Then the first block of code immediately following if the if statement is executed, the value entered is greater than 10. There it is. And then the program continues and executes the rest of the code. And the second alternative is executed, is not executed. Only one of the two alternatives will be executed. So let me clean up and then run it one more time. We'll run it one more time here. Enter an integer. This time I'm going to enter an integer that's less than 10, say 5, and enter it. So the first alternative is skipped. The second alternative, the else clause, is executed. The value entered is less than or equal to 10. And then again, the rest of the code is executed.